Good morning, everyone. We have here 8 ways to cooking better chicken in the kitchen. So, cooking chicken in the kitchen. So, you have there are thousands of ways to cook delicious chicken. And these 8 tips will help ensure you always achieve the flavor you're looking for. Okay, number 1. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked completely. Cook white meat to 170 degrees centigrade, dark meat to 180 degrees centigrade. So, sa pagluluto ng chicken, kailangan meron kang thermometer to check kung luto na ba siya or hindi pa, no? Para sa white meat, you have 170 degrees centigrade, 180 degrees centigrade ang red meat. Number 2, don't overflip when cooking. This can lead to uneven results. So, huwag daw i-overflip, no? Ano lang, tama-tama lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Number 3, brine your chicken to fill it with juicy flavor. A basic brine ratio is 4 tablespoons of salt for every quart of water. Soaking it for an hour will do, but an overnight brine works best. Yes, so ihumol sa brine solution ang iyong chicken. Pwede 1 hour or overnight. Number 4, don't overcrowd the pan. This leads to longer cook times as well as the potential for uneven cooking. Okay, kung magluto ka daw, kailangan hindi i-overcrowd. Kailangan may space pa para makagalaw siguro yung mantika or water sa pagluto ng iyong karne. Five, marinate chicken for several hours in the refrigerator. O, i-marinate daw, no? I-marinate ang karne sa loob ng refrigerator. Pwede 1 hour siguro, pwede overnight para mas masarap. Number 6, flatten every piece to a consistent thickness to ensure even cooking. Perdue, perfect portions, chicken breasts, does it for you. Okay, so i-flatten daw, i-flatten ang meat, yung desired thickness, para even ang pagkaluto niya. Kasi kung may manipis, may mataba, hindi even ang pagkaluto, kaya i-flatten siya para even ang pagkaluto. Pantay-pantay ang pagkaluto. Baliktarin mo rin, babaliktarin mo rin, pantay pa rin ang pagkaluto. 7. Keep the bone in and the skin on to retain that juicy flavor. Okay, keep the bone in and the skin on to retain that juicy flavor. Marami parang tips, no, or strategy. Number 8, roast with a sheet pan or skillet instead. Kung mag-roast ka, magamit ka daw ng sheet pan or skillet para maganda ang pagkaluto. Hindi siguro masunog. Okay, so those are the 8 ways to cooking better chicken in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share our video. Follow for more. God bless.